Welcome to Park Royal Darling Harbour, located in the heart of Sydney. The hotel offers easy access to some of the city's top attractions. Welcome to the club room at Park Royal Darling Harbour. Join us as we explore this luxurious space, perfect for your stay in Sydney. Let's start with the room tour. Here, you'll find a comfortable king-sized bed, with stylish side tables featuring dimmable mood lighting. The modern interior design is complemented by a window view of the city. Moving over to the desk area, you'll see a sleek executive work desk with a lamp, perfect for business or personal use. Here, we have a cozy lounge chair accompanied by a floor lamp, creating a comfortable spot to relax or read a book. Next, let's check out the coffee station. The room is equipped with an espresso machine for your morning brew and a delightful welcome dessert, ensuring a sweet start to your stay. Now, let's take a look at the spacious bathroom. It features deluxe amenities, a vanity kit, a shaving kit, and more, providing everything you need for a refreshing experience. The large bathroom also includes a rain shower with a wall-mounted hand shower, giving you plenty of space and comfort. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel tours and travel content. See you in the next video.